on an adventure.
Where are we going?
Going to Beasley Knob.
We're going to Beasley Knob in Blairsville, Georgia. We got Bowser in tow. It's been a minute since we've been to Beasley's Knob. Actually, the very first crawler that I ever built, well, it wasn't even a crawler then. It was open diffs, Dana 44s, carbureted, 35s. It was sprung over. The first trip out ever in our off-road career was in Beasley's Knob, I believe, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Beasley's Knob? How many years ago was that?
I got a picture of Ariana and she's like 5, so
Yeah.
probably 21 years or better. 20 years.
All time. So, we're gonna go back, we're gonna check it out. We've got my buddy Randy, aka the MIG, is gonna join us in his old Kaiser truck, pretty rad truck. And the Denny family from Sketchy Performance and Fab is coming with us. They've got an old TJ that he's been banging on, and we're just gonna go bomb around and see what we can get into. We'll see you there. So we're rolling through Murphy, and we are actually gonna do a little side quest. We're gonna go get, where are we going?
Some burgers. I don't know the name of it. What's the name of it?
Main Street.
Main Street.
We're gonna go get some Main Street burgers. If you ever come through Murphy, stop in and get Main Street burgers. You'll thank me. Main Street. I can smell it from here. So I actually I probably mentioned this in several videos. I actually used to live in Murphy, and this place used to be a little kind of like hole in the wall, small building in the middle of town, and it had 2 drive-throughs on either side of it. And I'd said something about eating here one time when we were here, and I actually was like heartbroken because I went to where it used to be and it wasn't there anymore, but they just relocated. They've actually got a dine-in now. So Main Street, USA in Murphy. Check it out. Good morning. So we made it in pretty early. I actually ran over to the MIG's house and hung out and piddled around with the Kaiser last night. Got back here and Denny family's all here. We ended up with an Airbnb right off of the lake in Blairsville. So got the truck parked on a sketchy hill. Oh my gosh, I'll show you when I get in the truck. Like, I was hoping the truck would still be here and not in these people's living room of the Airbnb this morning, but it's still there. So we're gonna get loaded up and go grab something at Waffle House, I think around 8:30. So we'll see you when we get to the trailhead. What are we doing today, Ridge?
I guess we're gonna go off-roading.
We're doing what they call off-roading. You gonna be riding in that old Kaiser over there?
We're gonna be riding in the Toyota.
You riding in the Yoder?
Riding in the Toyota.
Got a bunch of different rigs here. We got the Scout, we got a Kaiser, we got an old, a new old Jeep, and this Yoder buggy. We'll give you a walk around. Of course, you know Bowser. America. Old Sketchy Performance is gonna be ripping around in this little dude. Pretty rad old Propane Yoder on tons. This thing's rad. And we got MIG. The MIG is running in the Kaiser. Fresh set of 39 reds. They're just getting good. Hopefully we'll get some good footage for you guys as we're wheeling Beasley's Knob. Something wasn't happy.
Start blowing smoke bad. It does that.
Mike was talking about that. Oh.
Second dad, not first dad.
Oh, no. You're hitting hard. Hood's coming open, I think.
Well, we made it about a quarter of a mile up 93B. We played in the first couple of little rock sections and saw that what was ahead of us was not going to let up, and it would have been all day for the bigger rigs. And my buddy Mike, he don't care. He just sent that Jeep on 33s up, and we'd have hauled it out in two pieces if that's what it took. So we opted to backpedal, and we're just gonna do some easy trail riding for the rest of the day. See what else we get into. Let's go! So proper introduction, this is the Denny family.
Hey.
How you doing? Sketchy Performance Fab. Make sure to check them out on Instagram, Facebook, all the good stuff. Right outside of Atlanta, doing all the fabrication, LS goodness.
All the fun stuff.
All the good stuff.
Go fast, have fun.
Check them out. Dear?
We're home. Well, we're in our Airbnb home.
So we ended up grabbing dinner. All the guys went and ate at Rib City?
No, Rib Country.
Rib Country in Blairsville. Had a pretty good ride today.
Yeah.
We didn't tackle the hardest trails, but I think we did most of all the other trails. Beasley Knob was fun. We hadn't been here in 17 years, 16 years, I think we figured. So we enjoyed it. You should check it out. Make sure you do all the YouTube things, like,
Subscribe.
bell icon, leave us a comment, all that good stuff. We appreciate you at home taking the time to watch these videos. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.
Bye.